What's up guys, welcome to the GD project. Today is a very exciting episode because we are installing an ABW Motorsport wide body kit. We have 30mm plus wider front fenders, we have a WRC style front bumper, and we have 4-to-2 door conversion for the rear quarter panels. The rear quarter panels also widen the body by 30mm. So it's going to be exciting because none of us have ever done anything like this. We've never cut a shell and done a wide body conversion. It's going to be a learning experience for all of us. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the shell, see exactly where we need to cut everything, see where the wide body panels attach, because we have no idea. So it's going to be exciting, it's going to be interesting. Hope you enjoy. Let's get to it. Okay, so after some debate, we've decided to ditch the rear doors completely. It's a bit disappointing after all the work that was put into the rear doors, cutting them and gutting the insides and everything, but on the bright side, we're going to be losing a lot of weight. The rear doors are pretty heavy. Front fenders seem to fit very, very nice. Just had to drill the holes for the bolts. Now again, nothing here is perfect, but it's a race car, so we're not picky on the panel gaps and everything. We'll live with it. So now we'll move on to temporarily mounting the rear panels onto the body itself, and we'll go from there. And it's a new day and we are back at it. Just to get you up to speed off camera, we bolted a couple of panels in the rear, mocked up the rear bumper and rear tail lights, starting to look like a car again, which that is exciting. So what we're going to be doing today is start figuring out the V-mount setup, start creating like support bars for the front bumper. And so that means more test fitting, more welding, and start finalizing where everything is going to sit. So let's get on with it. Right, so after much head scratching, it has been decided we are going to be going traditional front mount intercooler. We're not going to be doing the V-mount setup. There's a bird here that also wants to be in the video. It's making a lot of noise. It's my video, go away. So now, what we're going to do, finalize the body fitment, finish making all the support brackets for the rear body kit and for the radiator support and headlight support. Once we do all that, do the final paint job, and then we can start assembling the car. So let's get on to it. Alright. So, as you would have seen, we did the support brackets for the front part of the rear body kit, blocked off the fuel filler opening. What else? Aligned the body, front bumper, rear bumper. Again, it's only temporarily held. Also did the support bars for the front mount intercooler and for the radiator. The support bar for the radiator is temporary. We will redo it. We'll do a new one, but that's where we're at the moment. So what is left to do now? We're gonna start preparing the car for paint. That's what we're gonna do. Just gonna mask off a couple of things, then it's on with the prepping. So let's go. So, the body has been masked, has been prepped. It is now ready to get its final exterior paint job. And so it is time to reveal the color we have chosen. So paint job is complete. We went for a Lexus pearl white Lexus color code. We thought it would look really good with the purple roll cage and the carbon parts that are going to be left carbon, like the roof, front bonnet, etc. We're not in a sterile environment, and so some insects gave their lives in order to ruin the paint job. But you know, it is what it is, we'll live with it. We just keep saying to ourselves, it's a race car, it doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect, it's a race car, okay, good. We're gonna let the paint job dry for a few days, and it's time to start assembling stuff together. Gearbox, entire drivetrain, suspension, all that stuff. That's probably what you're gonna be seeing in the next episode, and after that we'll be moving on to wiring, starting the car, mapping it, and go burn some rub on the track. So, starting to get real exciting. It's starting to really look like a car now. Can't wait to see it on the track, and with all the carbon parts and everything, a fully assembled race car. I'm looking forward to that. I hope you are too. So that's all for this episode. Till next time, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.